Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your weather app is not working, weather network app. So there may be any reason, there may be several different reasons why your app is not working. So we can't define which error is coming. So here are some, you can say, reasons like your internet, maybe your new version of app is available, and maybe your cache is overloaded, and maybe your app is corrupted, or maybe your application is not connected with your mobile. So these are the basic reasons. So in this video we will fix all the you can say errors. Okay, so first of all you need to check out your internet speed. Your internet speed looking not too good, that's why your app is not working. So make sure you need to check out your internet speed. If your internet speed is good, if your internet is working, then you can go for second method. In this method you need to update your app. So first of all you need to visit on your app store, and once you are on app store you need to find your app name, and once you type your application name and just hit enter, and once you get your app, this is only an example, in the front of your app you will see this button, the app update button, and you need to click on update button. And if update is not available, that means your app is you can say another problem. If your update is available, then you need to click on update button. Okay, once you click on update button, simply when it will take some time, and after taking time it will open, and you can open your app. Hopefully this will fix your issue. And if you're still facing same issue, then you need to follow third step. The third step is you need to clear your cache of your application, overload cache of application. In this method you need to visit on your, you can say, app store, or you can say your settings, and once you open your settings you just simply click on your general settings, and click on general settings. Now you can click on iPhone storage, scroll down and click on iPhone storage. Once you find your iPhone storage, just find your application name. This is just only an example. You need to find your weather app, and once you get your application over here, simply tap on it, and once you tap on it you need to click on offload app. Once you click on offload app, you need to type again on, you need to click on offload app again, and once you done this method it will take some time, and again you will see this button like reinstall application button. You need to simply click on reinstall. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you are still facing same issue, your app is not working, then you need to delete your application completely, remove your application. So simply visit on this screen again, and once you are on this screen you need to simply delete your application, and once you delete complete, simply go on your app store and find your application and get your application, reinstall your application, and hopefully this will fix your issue. If you have already done each and everything and your app is still not working, then this step is very helpful for you. Just simply check your date and time, and in this method you need to simply visit on your settings, and once you are on settings you need to simply check your internet or you can say your date and time. Okay, so please make sure your date and time should be updated, and make sure your bot toggles are, you can say, on. Maybe your one toggle is on, so make sure your set automatically toggle is on, and once your date and time is accurate, you need to simply restart your app, you can say simply restart your mobile, and you are done. So by using this method you can easily fix this issue of, you can say, weather app is not working issue. If you have any questions you can make a comment. Hopefully this will fix your all issues. Okay, so I'm going to end this video over here. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.